Hello. So today I thought I'd make some scrunchies, and then I thought, hey, why not film it? For anyone who wants to know how to make scrunchies really simply, I'll put the measurements of everything in the description box if you want to follow along. But off we go. I cut up some fabric already, so I didn't have to do a time lapse of that. I got 3 different kinds. I haven't, because I found a random bag of fabrics under my sewing desk. I haven't used any of the white ones just because I have black cotton threaded and I can't really be bothered to change it. So let's go. First of all, this is black cotton / linen. I can't really tell, it's like a combination of both, but really any fabric will work with this, I think, and I want to try a whole bunch of different ones. So first of all, you're just going to get one end. This is like, it's really roughly cut, which is fine. Just going to fold it over like that, and you are going to sew it. I used the wrong kind of stitch, but you know, that's fine. Scissors. Last time I used a sewing machine, it was an industrial for a fashion course I'm taking. So it took a minute for this to sink in. Then with that showing on the outside, just gonna fold it in half, lengthways. This is the inside. And yeah, so I'm just gonna, you can use pins if you'd like, but you can kind of anchor it using like the edge. I like to use the edge of the foot, like pedal thing, as, I don't know what it's called, as like a guide. Or you can use like a magnetic guide as well if you'd like. I'm gonna make sure this is folded well. Wait. I think I'm going to use a couple pins just because I don't trust myself. Okay. Okay, this should be better now. And time to sew. It's a fun, like, 10-minute project for if you've got, like, extra fabric, scrap fabrics. You just want to make something kind of cute. And they're so customizable as well, depending on, like, what fabrics you like and what fabrics you have. So, yeah, I want to try experiment with different fabrics and all of that. So next, you're going to need a 19 centimeter by 1 centimeter piece of elastic. I haven't measured like the 1 centimeter out because this is pretty thin. But basically, what you're going to do is you're going to get 2 safety pins. Getting them out of my little box. Yep. 2 safety pins. And one of them is going to be attached to one end of the elastic. As so. And the other one is going to be attached to the other end of the elastic and also the end of the fabric. So I'm just going to do it like that. Then you put the other end down inside. The safety pin is so you can kind of use it as a guide. You can kind of find it and shuffle it along. Then once you pull it through the other end, make sure you get the elastic from the other side as well. Like that, and you can kind of unattach it from the fabric on the other end, but make sure you still have it attached to the elastic. You don't want to lose the elastic, because otherwise you have to do that all over again, which I have done before. It's because... Ooh! Yeah. Okay, now, gonna grab the machine again. Back on. Gonna take off the pins from both sides of the elastic while making sure that I don't lose it. And I'm just gonna switch my stitch to to the zigzag one, so I'll turn that dial with my other hand. And just gonna overlap the ends of the elastic like that and put it under. Yeah, make sure the fabric is out of the way, but you just want to go back and forth a couple times on the elastic to make sure it's really secure. Okay, that should do the trick. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna fold it over and go again. Okay. Don't know what that noise was, but you know, that's okay. Just pull the thread out of my thing. Ooh! Okay, what on earth happened here? How did this happen? Okay, gonna take a quick break. Just... What on earth? What in the hell? Rightio. Got it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna trim all the odd threads off of here. Make sure it's all nice and neat. Now, next, I want to make sure that the I forgot to turn it the right way out. Ah! Guys, I forgot to... I left it with the wrong side out. I'm just gonna finish doing it. I don't even care at this point. I'm just gonna finish doing it, then I'll show you properly when I'll remember to switch it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the nice neat edge and put the other one inside it, kind of like this. Now you can, this last part you can do by hand if you want it to be a bit neater. I know when my mum used to make scrunchies, she did this last bit by hand just to get a more neat effect. But I'm just going to sew straight across it today, because why not? I'm gonna keep it on the zigzag. Put that under there. I'm not going through this again. I'm not going through this again. Alrighty, and that is a scrunchie. Done the wrong way out. I've done better. This is usually what they come out looking like. Much better. But let's go again. Hopefully this time we'll get it right. I'll get it right. You probably remember to turn yours the right way. Anyway, I'm gonna use this fabric now, because I haven't used this one before, and it's interesting, so, yep. It's gonna do the same. Okay. Turn it wrong way out. I am right about this one. So now what you want to do is turn it the right way out. This is actually the part that takes the longest. Finally! Why on earth did that take so long? Okay, anyway, now we're gonna do same thing with the elastic. Here's one I prepared earlier. Okay, switching to zigzags. Got it. Making sure it's very secure. Switching that back. Okay, gonna pick off all the loose bits of thread. Get rid of it all. And now, this is my neat edge. Taking the rough edge and sticking it inside. Trying to keep it as straight as possible, but depending on how OCD you are, it doesn't matter too much. Like so. I'm going to try to stitch over where I've already sewn, just to try and keep it as neat as possible. Just come out of my thing. I'm not getting any thread. Why? Got the bobbin. Thank goodness. Bobbins really irritate me. I pretend that my sewing machine's a car so I can just go really fast. I haven't driven in ages. Yeah, so again, it's really up to you if you want to have it like that. When it's tied up in your hair, you can't really tell, but I know some people like this to kind of be non-existent, so you can choose to do it by hand. And obviously I'm using a black thread on blue material because I don't have any blue thread with me, but that's how you make a scrunchie. At least, I'm sure there's multiple ways, but this is how I make a scrunchie. Yeah, I've already made quite a few. A little basket here where I keep them. A white one. A whole bunch of different fabrics. This is my favorite one, I think, so far, because it's so bright and colorful. But yeah, I hope you guys found that useful and or entertaining. If you want to see more like sewing videos, let me know and I will show you some. And until next time.